Welcome to our channel. Today, we will introduce you to an advanced machine that combines high efficiency and precision for a variety of materials, the Precision Monolayer Tube Extrusion Line. Let's explore its operation process and wide range of applications. This production line is mainly used to produce high-precision plastic pipes, which form continuous pipes by heating and extruding plastic raw materials. This production line is designed to improve production efficiency and product quality, and is suitable for a variety of plastic materials such as PE, PP, PU, PVC, nylon, etc. First of all, production starts with an easy-to-use smart control panel. Simply enter the required production parameters such as temperature, pressure, and speed, and the equipment will automatically adjust to the optimal state to ensure seamless operation. The precise digital control system ensures that every step is executed accurately. This ensures high consistency and accuracy in the pipe production process. Next, the raw materials enter the extruder through an automatic feeding system. The parameters are set according to the characteristics of different materials. They are melted at high temperature and extruded through a die to form a precise single-layer tube. After being extruded through the die, the tube enters the cooling zone and is quickly shaped under strict control. This step ensures the dimensional accuracy and structural integrity of each finished product. The entire production process is equipped with automated quality inspection equipment to ensure that the size, strength, and surface quality of each tube meet strict standards regardless of material changes. Subsequently, the automated cutting device accurately and quickly cuts the pipe into the required length, reducing waste and maximizing production efficiency. Each cut pipe is strictly inspected for smooth surface and precise size, ensuring that the product performs well in various demanding application scenarios. The pipe products of this production line are widely used in many industries such as automobiles, medical devices, etc. Whether it is a conveying pipe, a protective pipe, or a structural support, they all demonstrate excellent performance and reliability. The Precision Monolayer Tube Extrusion Line perfectly combines precision and efficiency to meet the high standard production needs of various industries. Choose us and move towards the future of intelligent manufacturing.